Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation TOG, which stands for together. Together is used in combination with other stitches such as single crochet, an X number of stitches together, double crochet, an X number of stitches together, and so on. In this swatch I am doing 2 double crochets. So double crochet, 2 together. It is a decrease, and the only difference between a regular stitch and the decrease stitches is that you complete the final step, the final through 2 together, so you'll have more loops on your hook. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So in this pattern here, I've got double crochet 2 together, chain 1, double crochet into the same spot as before, and typically I would go yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that would create a complete double crochet. However, when you're doing 2 or 3 or however many stitches together, instead of completing that stitch, you begin the next stitch. So for double crochet, I would yarn over, go into the specified spot, yarn over, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin the 2 double crochet. So now I've got 2 halves of double crochet and 3 loops on my hook. So to complete this double crochet 2 together, I'm going to yarn over and pull through all loops on my hook. Let's say I wanted to do treble 2 together. I would start off with 2 yarn overs into the stitch 1, 2, and before completing that stitch, I would do 2 yarn overs into the next stitch 1, 2, so they're almost complete. I have more stitches on my hook than I would with just a single a treble on my in my work. But let's say it's 3 together. Well, I'd start it again, 2 yarn overs into a stitch 1, 2, and once again, just before completion, that's when you stop. So let's say it's 3 trebles together. I've got 1, 2, 3 almost completed trebles, yarn over through all. So there you go. TOG stands for together and is used in a combination with any other stitch.